Imagine a community where no family is homeless. That's not only the vision of the Providence House, it's the code that the hardworking staff lives by every day in their relentless pursuit of the goal to break the cycle of homelessness, one family at a time. The Sleep Out for Independence is a capstone event that both raises vital funds to support Providence House programs and serves as an awareness and education event for the community. We want our community to understand the plight of homelessness and engage in the solutions to it. 700 campers get to experience homelessness for one day on the field of Independence Stadium. They camp out in tents, sleeping bags, and boxes they craft into shelters themselves. The event cleverly combines fun activities with awareness education. The participants come from faith-based youth groups, scouts, colleges, high schools, and various other groups throughout North Louisiana. The campers enjoy fellowship, DJ music, fun activities, food, late-night movies, award ceremonies, and an opportunity to learn from Providence House graduates the plight of homeless families. They have the opportunity to learn how, as a community, they can help break the cycle of homelessness. Participants are challenged to build their own shelters. The only materials allowed are items a homeless family might gather from the street, like cardboard, rope, and tape. The shelters are constructed and brought to the event where they compete for awards such as Best in Show, Best Design, and Best Theme and/or Education. Community leaders are engaged in the event by judging the shelters. Once the awards are handed out, participants spend the night in the shelters they've constructed. They're encouraged to bring their smart devices, such as iPads and smartphones, so they can stay in touch with friends and family both inside and outside of Independence Stadium. The large screens at the stadium project their tweets, blogs, Facebook messages, and other social media communications throughout the evening. Participants are encouraged to go to the website early and create a buzz to encourage participation, sponsors, and donations to the Providence House. The young participants and their social media posts help spread the word that they are part of breaking the cycle of homelessness. The goal of the Sleep Out is to raise awareness and money to help the Providence House carry out its program. Your participation is a vital part of the success of this event. 84 cents of every dollar goes directly to clothing, feeding, and educating Providence House families, so you know your money is making a maximum impact. Imagine just one night living in a box.